Dear friends, today my subject is revenge. We each and everybody know the words revenge. Revenge is a very important and critical word. Do you know what is revenge? Revenge meaning if anybody hitting you, then you are all time searching the point to hit the other person. This is meaning revenge. But dear friend, when you want to take action against revenge and against the person, then many difficulties or misfortune or defeat may come to you. You should always mind it. If anything happen when you are doing work or doing anything, if anybody hit you, then try to forget it. If you try to forget it and at last forget, then you will be happy. Otherwise, if you want to take revenge, if you want to take action with other person, it may damage your life. Now I can give you an example. Once upon a time, a long snake go in a roadside. When the snake going the roadside one place to another, there was a sharp knife, and when crossing the snake, the knife, in the touch of the knife, the snake was small heated. When it was heated, then snake is try to revenge and give an action to the knife. When the snake take action to the knife, then his mouth of the snake was some of hitting and bleeding also. When the snake saw the bleeding in the hitting place of the snake, he was again ferocious and trying to do again action and take revenge to the knife. Then his anger was so hot, so ferocious, that the snake twisted the knife. When the twist the knife, then snake was again bleeding of the whole body. Then the snake was again super hot, so angry to the knife, and twisted too much. After too much twisting the knife, the snake was in 10 pieces. So dear, do you think when take revenge to the knife, when twisted the snake to the knife, then one piece of snake was 10 pieces, and at last it was killed itself. So dear, if you like to be happy, if you want to be comfortable life, then forget the revenge. Take a comfortable life and be happy and be forgive to the others. Thank you everybody.